Start today with the energy crisis in the U.S. that's left more than 5 million Americans without power.
So this actually began a few weeks ago with what they call a sudden stratospheric warming over the North Pole in early January. And what that means is a big dollop of warm air kind of pushes down on the North Pole and changes the weather patterns up there.
Has been on and off with power, mostly off for the
miles
last
across
31
Texas,
hours.
millions struggling to find clean water, even as the power comes back online. The agency that manages 90% of the state's power grid under fire.
They said 5 days before the winter storm hit, ERCOT assured that, quote, we are ready for the cold temperatures coming our way.
Of the North Texas ice winter snowstorm. Is that what we call it? I'm gonna do some urban snow exploration here in the city. I have my snowshoes and my parka, all the gear. So we're gonna go and explore Rockwall, Texas a little bit. Take some photos and see what it looks like. Hopefully fly the drone, which I have in my backpack right now. Made it down to the main street. I'm gonna see if I can get my drone in the air. It's a bit windy, you can tell from the audio right now, but the goal is to capture some epic historical footage here in Rockwall, Texas. So I'm very excited about this. Had to stop inside the 7-Eleven. I know my lens is all foggy, but had to replenish myself with some delicious coffee.
You working today?
We're trying to.
What are you doing? Oh, discount tires are open for real? Who's showing up? I guess people with like...
Just people with air checks, but we ain't got no air.
Air checks?
Yeah.
You ain't got no air?
Well, I mean, we ain't got nothing.
I love it.
We ain't got no electricity, man.
As long as they pay you, it doesn't matter, right?
Yeah.
This will be a cup of coffee I'll never forget. Unfortunately, it's not Icarus, but if you want to order a bag of Icarus coffee, I will leave a link below this video. I will ship it out to you, snow, sleet, or whatever the apocalyptic weather system holds for us. By the way, I had to put these sunglasses on because like the snow is like blinding, so bright. Let me just say that snowshoeing is so exhausting. Having to plow through the snow, and I guess the cold temperatures as well really add to the amount of caloric output that goes on. Finally made it back home. I'm gonna go see all the girls and Holly real quick.
It is so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two.